Cheers crew! This is Ruby from Nerdy by Nature, your new helping hand and instructor for today. Allow me to guide you in learning different concepts and techniques in Mathematics 9. Join me as we solve and look for a solution to our mathematical problems. For this segment of our sequel, Quadratic Equation, we will learn and center on solving word problems involving quadratic equation and rational algebraic expression. Are you ready to learn? I hope so. Now, let's get started. As a recall to our previous video lesson, we learned 4 different methods or 4 different ways in solving quadratic equation. These are by extracting square roots, factoring, completing the square, and lastly, by using quadratic formula. It is very important to know those methods because today we will solve mathematical problems, and after turning those mathematical sentences into an equation, we will be proceeding on solving it using any of the methods. As I've stated earlier, we will be solving word problems, but it is also important to know how we will turn those given problems into an equation, particularly quadratic equation.
Now, let's have problem number 1. Anna is watching her favorite show in a rectangular-shaped television that has an area of 27 meters squared and a perimeter of 24 meters. What are the dimensions of the television?
Hint! The formula in getting the area of a rectangle is length times width, while the perimeter is 2 times the quantity of the sum of length and width. But first, you should always remember this acronym, RIWS. These are the steps that you'll follow in solving word problems. For us to solve, we should first read and understand the problem. After analyzing, we will now identify the given values and represent the unknown. In our problem number 1, the given values are area is equals to 27 meters squared and the perimeter is equals to 24 meters. Our unknown values are the dimensions or simply the length and the width. Now, let's proceed in step number 3. Write the equation. The formula in solving for the perimeter of a rectangle is P equals 2 times the quantity of the sum of length and width. And since our given perimeter is 24 meters, then 2 times the quantity of L plus width equals 24. We just simply substitute it with the given formula. Now, we will be dividing this to 2 because the sum of the double of length and width is equal to our perimeter. So, our 2 on the left side would be cancelled and our 24 would now be equal to 12. Let us substitute it to the formula of our area. Since area is equals to length times width, then quantity 12 minus W times W equals 27. We let the value of length would be 12 minus W, and since our width is still unknown, we can use any variables to represent it, such as X or W, equals to the given area of 27. We will now solve for the equation by using FOIL method. 12 times W is 12W, and negative W times W is equals to negative W squared. Then, 12W minus W squared equals 27. Is it the equation already? No! Therefore, we have to rewrite it into standard form. Negative W squared plus 12W minus 27 equals 0. Since our leading coefficient is negative, let's change it into positive and the rest of the sign will change as well. Therefore, our equation would be equal to W squared minus 12W plus 27 equals 0. We will now go to step 4. Solve for the equation using any of the methods. We can just simply use factoring here, but nonetheless, any of the methods will give you the same answer. By factoring, W squared minus 12W plus 27 equals 0 will be quantity W minus 9 and quantity W minus 3 equals 0. Negative 9 times negative 3 is equal to 27, and when you add the 2, its sum would be negative 12. Now, set the factors equals to 0. W minus 9 equals 0, W equals 9. W minus 3 equals 0, W equals 3. This implies that the dimensions or the length of the television is 9 meters and the width is 3 meters. Always remember that length is longer than the width.
Now, let us have problem number 2. Two teenagers decided to clean the whole mansion. Penelope can clean the mansion 15 days less than Crystal can. Together, they can finish cleaning the whole mansion in 10 days. Now, let x equals 1 whole work to be done. Crystal equals x since it is unknown. Penelope equals x minus 15. As stated, 15 days less than Crystal can. Hence, work over the days they can finish. 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 15 equals 1 over 10. Equals to 10, the amount of days they can finish the work together. Just like solving rational algebraic expression, we will first get the LCD, least common denominator. LCD equals x times quantity x minus 15. Just simply multiply if there is no common denominator. Now, let's do the cross multiply. X minus 15 plus x over x quantity x minus 15 equals 1 over 10. Let us copy again the denominator. Now, another cross multiply. 10x minus 150 plus 10x equals x times quantity x minus 15. To solve, negative 150 equals x squared minus 15x minus 10x minus 10x. We simply transpose it. It will be equal to x squared minus 35x plus 150 equals 0. To solve, we will now use again the factoring. Then, quantity x minus 30 times quantity x minus 5. Just do the FOIL method and it will give you the same answer. Now, set each factor to 0. X minus 30 equals 0. X equals 30. X minus 5 equals 0. X equals 5. If we let the value of x equals 30, then Crystal equals 1 over x, 1 over 30. While Penelope, 1 over x minus 15 is equals to 1 over 30 minus 15, 1 over 15. Meaning, the time they can work alone in cleaning the mansion is, Crystal takes 30 days, while Penelope only about 15 days. To check, simply add the two, and it will be equal to the total where they can finish together, 10 days. And of course, we won't forget our assignment and tasks for this video. You may pause the video and comment down below your answers. Here are your tasks. If you are ready to embark on a math adventure with us, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And let's dive into the fascinating world of quadratic equation. Stay excited and stay curious.